banana cold foam. You know what I want to try from here? The bacon ciabatta. That one looks so good. So I got the iced chai tea with vanilla cold foam from Better Buzz. So good. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. So today is actually a spontaneous day. We actually literally just planned this morning. Well, originally we were gonna go to a farm in, I believe it's Chino Hills. Good thing I looked it up because I checked their Instagram and I guess they ended up getting shut down because it just went too viral and there was just too many people in that small area. So good thing I looked because that's what we were gonna do today. And then we started like researching because we wanted to take baby to like a farm. So we're gonna go to San Juan Capistrano. We're gonna spend the day over there, but we're actually gonna take the train. So we're gonna take the metro over there. We've never done that, so it's gonna be pretty fun. We're gonna park our car, take the metro over there, and then just like spend the day. There's a lot of like restaurants, food, and then there's like a petting zoo for the kids. And yeah, I guess it's like a whole new area. We've never been, so we're excited to go because it's somewhere new for us too and to take baby. So I'll take you guys along today. A gingham dress. It's actually from Marshall's. The necklace is from Marshall's as well. So here's baby girl's outfit. She's wearing like this little cute cardigan, and then this shirt is from Zara, and then these shorts, these gingham shorts, are actually a set from Costco, but we're matching today. And she got her little So
I'm at the correct one. I'm at the correct one.
so gloomy today.
It is.
Yeah. Look at this coffee shop, so cute. We just got off the train and it wasn't a bad ride. I think it was about like 50 minutes and baby girl did so good. It was so nice. It was our first time ever doing something like that. So now we're here and I'm going to show you guys around. Look at how nice it is right here. Look at wood fire grill. Okay, so we got a pepperoni pizza and it has hot honey. Mendocino Farms. I got a chicken wrap with goat cheese. Looks so good. A white butterfly. And earlier I said, Luna, where are you?
Oh.
She's like, I'm right here, Mom.
Yeah.
Oh, we can go in here. It's a boutique. Had lunch. Our lunch was really good. They have so many food places. So then we walked around for a little bit and then now we're gonna head home because the train comes at 2. And then I think the next train back to our destination is not until 6, so there's like a huge gap. So we're gonna take the 2 p.m. train and head back home. Here, I think like around 10. So it's like a good couple hours that you're here, from like 10 to 2 until you take the next train. So there was plenty to do. They have like a coffee shop here. It was really fun. I definitely recommend it if you guys are looking for like a little day trip. Honestly, you don't have to take the train. You could drive here too, but if you want to do something a little extra and take the train, I definitely recommend it. It's really fun. So yeah, we're just gonna end our day right here and then head home for today, and that was our Saturday.
It's coming from this way, though.
I know, I'm recording Good morning, happy Sunday. It's the next day, and we're starting the next day with going to the breakfast spot that we went to last week because it was so freaking good. I'm gonna have breakfast here again. After that, we do have to do our grocery shopping, so I think we're gonna go to Trader Joe's for that. You guys know we mostly do our grocery shopping at Trader Joe's because they have like so many good staples, like snacks and stuff that we get for the week. So we're gonna do that. And then I wanted to go to Hobby Lobby, but Hobby Lobby, I forgot that it's actually closed on Sundays. But I didn't vlog this, but basically I'm making a milestone board for baby. So it's basically month 1 to 12, and I'll show you guys like how I do it and stuff. It's really cute. I ended up getting the fabric, but I have to go back because for her nameplate, they were all sold out of the letter A. So I got the other letters just in case that they sold out. So I ended up getting those, but I need to go back to get the letter A. But yeah, unfortunately they're closed today. And then it's actually raining right now. Well, not raining, it's like very misty. So hopefully the weather clears up because it's kind of gloomy right now, but we'll see where the day takes us today, and I'll take you guys along. This is baby girl's outfit today. Look at how cute. My grandma got her these for our baby shower, and she's finally able to wear them. And then we got these overalls. These are actually from Amazon, and then this cute little cardigan is from Zara. So this is her little outfit. I'll do like a little outfit video for you guys, but this cardigan is from Zara, and then this top is Brandy Melville, and then I'm wearing it with this Zara belt, and then these little shorts. These are from, oh my god, where are these from? These are from Fashion Nova. So this is my outfit, and I know I'm wearing shorts and it's like so gloomy, but it's okay. Hopefully the weather clears up. And then I'm just wearing it with my loafers. Finished having breakfast, and it was so good. I ended up ordering what I had got last weekend, which was the French toast, and then it comes with bacon, hash brown, and then we got a side of fruit, and it's so delicious. I love going to that spot. This is our second time going, and it never fails so far. It's really good. And then now we're at Target. We need to pick up a few things, and it kind of sucks because the weather is still really gloomy. I didn't think it was going to be like this, which is weird because the weather app doesn't say that it's raining. But yeah, so that's how our day is. We're going to stop at Target, and then we're going to go to Trader Joe's and do our grocery shopping. Here at Target, we got the baby's little cart cover. Got my ice chai. Target. Look at how cute this is. You can squeeze lemons on it or oranges. These little silicone holes for ice cream. Popsicle holder. These are so cute for like summertime. And then this little ice cream scoop. I'm actually gonna get one of these because I want to put like her berries in here. That way they're just like fresh, ready to go, because I'm always washing them. So I think I'm gonna grab her one of these, and they're only $3. They also have these ones too, or maybe I will get a big one. But I like this one because it has a little divider. The Serenity Kids pork and apple because she really liked these last time. And then we're also gonna get these fiber and protein packs. I love getting these because it's really good fiber for her.